Okay, we are replacing the speaker on a Heng Long Tiger 1. I've already disassembled it. The speaker is mounted right here. When you look over at the TK 7.0, you'll see that the speaker goes above these right here. But you can also check in your instructions, and it says port C9 is the loudspeaker. All you do is unplug it. I've already unplugged the old one and unscrewed it. And then you place in the new speaker, which I have right here. Before I screw it down, I'm going to plug it in and do a function check and make sure that it works. Okay, I just plugged in the new speaker. I'm going to turn on the tank, turn on the remote, and we have sound again. Turn off the tank. When you go to reassemble a tank, you have to screw down the speaker here, put this back in the center, and you need to do a test on your turret to make sure that it's working and you don't have any obstructions before you put your final screws in. The tank back together, there's a little indentation right here and a tab right here. You need to line those up. I take the exhaust and just push them back. The board that goes right there, that's how it was when I took it apart. Now before I screw it back together, I'm going to do a test to make sure that the turret doesn't have any obstructions. Now I'm going to turn the tank off and start putting the screws in on the bottom. There's 6 screws that go in the bottom. 2 of them are mounted underneath the spare track, and then you have the other 4 right here. I just slowly put them each in and get them started, and then I come back over and tighten them all up. Spare track, there's 2 little clips right here, and they hook in to here. You have to be careful just not to break that. You want to go around and check all your joints. Make sure that they're pushed down. If they're not, you might have to tighten your screws a little bit more, like I'm going to have to. And that's about it. Just one final test. And we're done.